Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren's gaming channel, and I am going to be doing a Roblox Escape the McDonald's video. So let's get right on to that. And I'm going to be doing this, if you guys are wondering, I'm going to be doing this with my brother. So, yes.
Did I do any damage to you? Mine died.
And they're really weird when they're doing things, you guys, so just ignore them.
So my game. Oh my god.
Yeah, I don't like this game. I think these are supposed to be French fries.
Oh, it fell. I need those.
I'm just going to go through. Yep. Gotcha. Sorry I died, everybody. Yeah, everyone does make mistakes, but like, so that was a really easy mistake.
Whoa!
Oopsie poopsies. This is what I do with my boring life.
Go down the tree. No, I need to grab onto the flag. Oh, now I get it.
This is easy right now. So far, you guys, this is pretty easy.
Oh my gosh.
I'm not gonna jinx myself. Guys, I could not even pronounce basketball earlier today. It was not good. Not good at all. Oh, I think there's YouTubers on here.
Yeah, stay on.
What the
Oh,
heck
we
is
got onto
this?
it.
What is this? Oh no, that's hard. Okay, so you have to go through here. Go through here. Dang it. Try it.
Oh, it's.
Try it though. Literally, you guys try it now. Because it's really fun. What? What are you supposed to do then? What? They made me restart the whole freaking... That's dumb. Where is everyone?
Get onto the cannon. Wait, oh. I'm about to climb. You see me?
Where are you?
Heck, where are you?
I can see you! I can see you!
Take it away.
What the heck is this?
No, look at our arms. Jack, I'm gonna get out of the
Oh
plane.
my god! Where do you go? What the heck?
I went out the window.
You just fall off this cliff?
Yeah, you just fall off. Hey, Beck.
My arms!
I know. Hey, Lauren, Beck's going to PvP. Mine keeps on Beck's going to PvP.
What?
I died.
Okay.
Lauren, go to PvP. How do you have steel for arms? How does Lauren have steel for arms?
Ooh. What's this? So you got it. $10. 3.
I'll see you. Goodbye. Get on the plane.
Plane. How do you get on it?
You go outside. There's a plane. There's a red
Can
one.
I jump on it?
No, you can't. You go outside and go on the spinning wheel thing. Yeah, go outside and go on that. And that red plane, you go on it. If you, yeah, go on that thing. And then it will come. You're on it. Yeah, you have. No, behind you. Like a guy. It comes right over there. You have to tap on it.
No, this is done.
Yeah! I'm king. Yeah! No, please!
What?
For my path, I just did. No, I'm leaving. No, I can't leave it I left. Lauren, please do not kill me. Because I am very...
Okay, well, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a like and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, everybody.